In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fulfill orders on Shopify. The goal of this lesson is to connect Shopify with a shipping and fulfillment tool, so orders can be processed smoothly from your storefront to your shipments. You will be able to handle fulfillment in a more organized way, without having to jump between multiple systems manually. To begin, open Shopify Admin. You can do this by going to your Shopify dashboard in your web browser. Once you are signed in, you should land on the main admin screen. This is where you will manage your store settings, orders, and apps. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct dashboard, because the next actions depend on accessing the right menus. Next, look for the Apps area inside Shopify Admin. In most setups, there is a section in the left-hand navigation or a search area that helps you find tools and integrations. Since different stores can have slightly different layouts, focus on finding the option that relates to apps. This step matters because the fulfillment workflow is usually powered by an app that you install and connect to your Shopify store.
Menzoran.
After you locate apps, open it. Now you will be in the area where Shopify lists installed applications, and where you can browse or add new ones. At this stage, your screen should show something like an apps directory or an area where you can add applications. This is the place where you will find the shipping solution that will help with order fulfillment. Now you will search for a fulfillment app. In the search field inside Apps, type ShipStation or DSers. Keep your cursor in the search bar and enter the name exactly as shown. Then press Enter or click the search option. This step is important because it ensures you find the correct app quickly, rather than browsing through many unrelated tools. Once the results appear, you should see options related to ShipStation or DSers. Spend a moment to confirm that you are looking at the correct app listing. You want to make sure the app name matches what you searched for, and that it is clearly intended for shipping or fulfillment. If you see multiple results, the best approach is to choose the one that matches your fulfillment needs and is compatible with Shopify. Next, click Install on the app you selected. The Install button is usually found on the app listing page or near the app details view after you click into the result. Clicking Install will begin the process of adding the app to your store. At this point, Shopify may ask you to confirm permissions or sign-in details, depending on the app. Make sure you review what the app requires before you proceed. After you press Install, wait for the connection process to complete. You may see a loading screen or a confirmation message that the app has been added. This is the part where Shopify prepares the app for use in your store. If anything looks unclear during the install flow, pause and make sure you are still on the correct confirmation prompts. Once the app is installed, you are ready for the next stage of fulfillment setup within Shopify. The app will typically handle order export and shipping workflows, which makes fulfilling orders much more efficient. Before you try to process orders, it is a good idea to confirm that the app is fully connected and ready to pull your orders for fulfillment. That is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know for installing a fulfillment and shipping app from Shopify Admin as the foundation for fulfilling orders.